CODICE. Optimum Resource Planning and Management. Air traffic control is a complex and difficult task to manage. In fact, managing today's levels of air traffic density is dependent on a mixture of technology and experience. The complexity of the task not only affects the technical aspects, but also the management of the human resources involved. CODICE Air Traffic Control is a latest generation computer system for the optimum management and planning of both human and technical resources. Based on CODICE technology, it offers air navigation service providers the ideal solution for air traffic controller planning. CODICE guarantees optimum coverage of all control needs and conforms to the complex labor regulations that govern the air navigation sector. The three fundamental elements of every planning scenario are the activity or needs to be covered in the operations room, the air traffic controllers themselves, and the regulations that must be observed. Activity. CODICE gives planners total freedom in defining the operations room needs for every time period. As an open system, it also lets planners define profiles for determining the needs of every workplace, so it can be used in control centers and single-person operations as well. Air traffic controllers. CODICE lets you create an employee database with all the most important characteristics, from administrative properties to controllers' authorizations for different room configurations. It also stores changes in properties for every employee. The system offers rapid data search functions using filters, sorting, and aggregations. Rules. CODICE has a lawyer rule catalog with all the labor and air navigation regulations that apply to controllers. The system not only takes these rules into account when performing calculations, but also alerts the user whenever a manual modification breaches any of the regulations. Optimize. Once all the elements are available, the system uses its powerful calculation engine to optimize planning by determining which of all the possible solutions complies with the rules imposed most efficiently. Having optimized the planning, the user can then move on to the tracking phase. Tracking. Once the optimized work schedule has been created, situations may arise where it needs to be replanned, for example in the event of incidents with the controllers. CODICE provides users with powerful replanning tools, for example for entering controller incidents, tracking the impact on the work schedule and searching for candidates to cover the incidents. Reporting. The system can export elements from the work schedule to the most common formats. It can also incorporate predefined reports customized to the needs of every organization. CODICE offers the best solution for simplifying the complex task of planning shifts and can be adapted to every client. Competitive, customizable, multi-agency, multi-workplace, multi-language, and multi-sector. CODICE Modules. Optimum monthly and annual air traffic controller planning. Optimum allocation of airspace sectors to controllers. Workforce sizing. Simulation of multiple scenarios, greater agility in decision-making and anticipating strategies for new scenarios. Business intelligence system for creating reports. CODICE Air Traffic Control can also be used to plan schedules for other collectives such as ground staff, ATC technicians. With CODICE, you will cut your costs and use your existing resources more efficiently. CODICE. Do more with less.